Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds SKULLCANDY Jib True. And firstly I will show you how to do this on Android device, then I will move to iPhone. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility. I have stock Android, and on my phone it's located at the bottom. Enter here, and then we need to scroll down again and find Audio Adjustment, what also at this phone located at the bottom. Click at this line, and right here we have volume balance. So if you have problem with your right earbud, you just move the slider, this dot to the right, and we just increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left. And if I use 100% on the right earbud, I will totally mute sound on my left earbud. If you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left. And now I increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to also go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings. Enter here, and we need to scroll down, and in the Hearing we have Audio and Visual. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have Audio Balance. Now, if you have a problem with the left earbud, you just move this slider to the left, and we just increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right earbud. And if I use 100% on the left earbud, I will totally mute sound on my right earbud. If you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move the slider to the right. And again, we increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!